We're going to start our lunch hour facelift with a little Botox and fillers. How do you feel?
Pretty good, actually. That was not too bad.
As we get older, everything starts to drop, so we're going to start filling this area up now. So you can see just in 2 syringes right here how beautiful that looks through here versus here. Now smile for me. Now look at the 1 crease here and the 1, 2, 3 creases here in the marionette lines. Now we're just going to finalize her treatment with a laser resurfacing. Oh, you did great. We're almost finished. You're doing fabulous. Keep your eyes closed, honey. Okay, and we're done. She should look great within about 3 or 4 days.
Welcome, Dr. Michael, Niccole, and Shauna to the show.
How are you?
Welcome.
Thank you both for being here.
Thank you.
So, Dr. Niccole, this facelift covers marionette lines, but much more than just that.
Much more. It'll get rid of damaged skin from smoking. You smoked for a number of years. It'll take away freckles. It'll rejuvenate the face by 10
So this
years.
is significantly different than a classical facelift.
Absolutely.
Because it's really minimally invasive, no cutting.
No cutting, absolutely none.
Now, I know you have a picture. You're going to show us exactly what you did in Shauna's case, right?
I'd love to.
But before we do that, you know what? I want everyone else to see this because I'm looking at you and it's very natural. I want everyone to look one more time at your before picture because if this is a lunchtime facelift, it was very successful. And let's do that side by side with you right now because you really have a noticeable improvement in the glow of your skin. And
big difference. You see the volume.
Oh, yeah.
So you've reinflated her face.
I think it's a combination. Just laser wouldn't give her this youthful volume that we see in youth. The Botox, which is where the nerve enters
so do
the
this
muscle.
for me if you would. This is her before. Why don't you hold that for us and explain.
And you can see, first of all, we did a fractional laser, Syneron laser. The laser was a resurfacing and tightening and getting rid of the sun damage and smoke damage skin.
And how did you fill her face?
And filling the face now, you can see this is the nasolabial fold. So right through here,
marionette lines.
This is the nasolabial fold, marionette lines here, here. And then we added filler here and here, Juvederm, filled this up.
So in the cheekbone area to give her a little volume lift.
A volume, yes. It's like a reversed egg. I have the reversed egg. She has a youthful egg now. Now the Botox is in the in the forehead here. There's a certain muscles that you don't need to know, but there's muscles here and these muscles here. The Botox weakens the neuromuscular junction, and that's exactly what we did. So there were 3 parts to the face.
And again, the laser was a big part of that.
A huge part of that.
You're going to show us how that laser works right here.
Absolutely. I'm going to do the settings on. I'm going to bring in our little laser here.
And the other important question: what do you think, and how do you feel?
Wow, I feel fantastic.
You look fantastic. It really is
remarkable.
And that's the key. That so many people were using volume to restore faces. Yeah. You didn't overdo.
Exactly.
And we see that
subtle.
Let's see how that laser
safety
works.
first. Let's everyone put our goggles on.
Candela has this laser that's so fast, you can't keep up with it. Most lasers today take about an hour to an hour and a half. This laser takes 15 minutes.
So this is good.
And it's very light.
On the eggplant.
On the eggplant.
And while you're doing, how long does it take the skin to recover from that laser injury?
On what we did to Shauna, it took about 4 days, 3 days. It's a very quick recovery.
Okay. Yeah, it's a controlled burn.
And the neat thing about it, it stimulates collagen for the next 3 months. So these patients start looking better and better and better after 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and 5 weeks.
We've got a model here.
We sure do. And what's going to happen in this case, Dr. Niccole did his laser, and what's going to happen to this skin, this is all going to come off like so, and with it, the brown discoloration, age spots, sunspots, fine lines.
Smoke damage.
And so smoke damage.
And it's tight.
It's quick recovery. It's quicker. It's probably lower cost. This is a great option, the lunchtime facial.
A quarter the price of a facelift.
So very much.
Thank you.